Running a successful IT business starts with managing your people right. But when things like attendance, leaves, assets, employee records are scattered across spreadsheets, chat apps, and random folders, that's where things get tricky. Hi, I'm Paridhi. In this series, we'll walk through the People Module of CollabCRM, your one-stop solution for handling everything people-related in your organization. So no more guessing who's working remotely, who's on leave, and who has got which laptop. Everything stays in one place, updated in real time for employees, team leads, HR, and CEOs alike. Here's exactly what we will cover in this series: organization settings, configuration and operational configuration, dashboard, employee management, attendance tracking, leaves and work from home management, skill matrix, asset management, and exit management. By the end of this journey, you will see how CollabCRM turns the people management chaos into a simple, automated, and rather fun process, saving hours every week and making your team happier. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at organization settings. From this screen, you can manage business units, departments, designations, and holidays. You can also manage documents, view the organization chart and calendar, create badges for employees, configure leave settings, and check device information to manage and assign company devices. Let's see how to view and manage business units. Over here, you can see a list of all existing business units and manage them easily. To add a new one, simply click on Add Business Unit. So here you'll enter the branding details like business logo, email logo, the business unit name, employee and intern code prefixes, the email domain, fill in the address details such as city, state, country, zip code, enter the base currency and add the phone number and email address. Now add the authorized person who will handle accounting and approvals. Upload the signature and company stamp. So now I have already entered this data. Check everything and click submit. This will create a business unit. You need to set up the day-to-day settings like date and time preferences, week off days, working hours, probation period, and web check-in for remote employees. You can also configure settings for the exit process, profile approvals, leave and remote work, regularization. Once everything is set, click Save. So we have created a business unit. Moving ahead, we have departments. From this screen, here you can view, filter, import and export departments easily. To add a new department, click Add Department, enter the department name. You can add a description if needed and then click Save. That's it, the new department is now created and can be assigned to employees across your organization. Moving ahead, we have designations. On this screen, you can view, filter, import and export all designations in your organization. To add a new designation, click Add Designation, enter the designation name. You can add a short name if needed, include a brief description and click Save. This will create a new designation and it is ready to assign to employees. Next, moving to holidays. In this screen, you can see the complete holiday list for the current year. If you want to view holidays from the past or upcoming years, simply use the navigation arrow at the top. To add a new holiday, click Add Holiday. Choose the business unit, enter the holiday name, select the date, add remarks if any and save. You can also set and manage holiday calendars for multiple business units based on your organization needs. Now let's look at documents. Here you can view all important documents stored within your organization. You can also create document categories and upload files under each category for better organization. To create a new category, click the plus button on the left panel. Select the business unit, enter the category name, add comments if you want, and click create. Once the category is created, you can start uploading documents to it. To add a document, click add document, enter the document name, upload the file, include any comments. You can also notify your team about these updates through feed, notification or email. Just select the preferred communication option or skip if you'd like. Finally, click create. To view any uploaded document, simply click the eye icon. Next, we have the organization chart. Now this chart is generated automatically as soon as you add a new employee and assign their reporting manager. You can choose to view your team's hierarchy or the entire organization structure with just a click. Moving ahead to the organization calendar. This calendar is especially helpful for the HR, CEOs and top management as it highlights key events like birthdays, work anniversaries, last working days, confirmation dates and upcoming joiners. It helps team plan celebrations, communication and important activities well in advance. Now let's move on to badges management. From here you can view all badges in the system and manage them easily. You can also create new badges or mark existing ones as active or inactive. To add a new badge, click add badge, enter the badge title, add a description. You can upload the image and click save. Under this badges management dashboard, you can see badges that employees have received as well as badges given by one employee to another. This makes recognition simple and transparent. Now let's move on the leave settings. Here you can view and manage all existing leave types and you can also create new ones whenever needed. To add a new leave type, click add leave type, enter the business unit, enter the leave details, configure the leave accrual settings. I have already entered the details over here. Check everything and click save. With this, a new leave type is created. Now, under the leave settings, you will also find the leave balance tab, which displays the leave balance of all employees. You can manually allocate or deduct leaves as required. To manually allocate leaves, click Manual Allocation, select the employee, choose the leave type, set the action type to allocate, enter the number of leaves, add any remarks, and click Submit. The leave balance will be updated instantly. CollabCRM also allows you to bulk upload leave data so you can update leave balances for all employees at once, saving valuable time. Now lastly, we have the device information screen. Over here, you can view all the devices in your organization and easily track their availability, showing which device is assigned to whom, ensuring accountability and maintaining security. For example, if you are from the QA or development team and need a mobile device to test a feature in your application, you can simply visit this screen, check whether a device is available and assign it to yourself. Once your testing is complete, you can return it to the inventory with just a click. And that completes our tour of organization settings built to keep your organization aligned, organized, and future ready.